Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee, and we just drove this one in, by golly. Oh, it was about a 10-hour drive, I guess, something like that. This is a 2014 Chevrolet 3500 HD, and it's got the mighty 6.6 Duramax with the Allison automatic behind it. That is a 4x4. Look at there, tires are good on that little thing. What a pretty truck. We need to stand back and take another look at that. That is a beautiful little red truck. Sometimes those of us in the business, we get kind of tired of just seeing white trucks all the time. It is a dually. Tires on it are good. As I say, we just drove this thing in. This is straight off the highway, about 11 hours, something like that. Looks like she's got dual tanks on it, huh? It's got a nice little official draw tight receiver hitch on it right there, a little diamond plate trim right there. It's got a wood deck in it, and these are removable. If you want to lift those off, you could load it with a forklift or whatever, but if you want to throw some sand or something in there, that'll keep it. Love the mud flaps. Got the nice holders on it, nicely done. Look at there, Joe Box right there, nice aluminum toolbox. Wow, nothing wrong with that. Nice piece. And she's a crew cab. So you got the 3-passenger seating in the back, and you got the 3-passenger seating up the front, and you got the power stuff right there. Yeah, you got the power windows and the power door locks, AM, FM stereo. It's got cruise control. Hey, it's even got a working radio. Let me shut that off. There we go. It's got the little armrest, fold-down armrest right there, so that'll be a 3-passenger seat up front if you want it to be. Chevy's done a really nice job on these. This has got a really pretty thing. I like the way they got the LED clearance lights up there now. This has got the chrome grille kit on it, so that's nicely done. It's got the front tow hooks on it, so you can tow somebody else out of the ditch, because we know you never would do anything like that. And again, just drove this in. The dirt and stuff that you see on there, that's just because we just drove it in. Solid piece. Door panels are good. All the power stuff seems to be functional so far. It's got automatic headlights on it. It's got tilt wheel. It's got cruise control. Look at the floorboards and stuff. This truck has been well taken care of. Look at how clean that is. Seat just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. It's a nice, good shape. No rips, no tears. Headliner looks really good. This is a nice truck. I like this. The more I like this, the more I see this, the more I like it. That's got an AM FM stereo. We heard that running a little bit ago. Air conditioning feels really good today. It's about 96 here today, which is a little weird for Tennessee. Oh, look at their 4x4, guys. 1-ton dually 4x4, diesel automatic. I don't know what else you guys could possibly ask for. There's your cruise control. And soft on miles. 119. And notice there's no ugly check engine lights, none of that kind of stuff. Everything on this truck is solid. You got the little paddle shifters here. You got the towing mode for the automatic transmission. Nice piece. I'm going to fold this up just so that I can show you that I'm not hiding anything underneath that seat right there. Everything is nice and clean. Oh, it's got a little vanity mirror up there in case you want to see how beautiful you are when you get to where you're going. Such a pretty truck. Clean. Look at the door panels on this thing. Solid. And of course, just so you know what you're buying, there you go. We don't know what rust is. That's a nice little truck. That's a really nice truck. That's got a Palfinger body on it. Oh gosh, I don't know. We'll call it a 10-foot maybe. Everything looks good. Mud flaps are solid. GVW on this one. Looks like it's 13.2, so that's very respectable. Just such a nice truck. I don't think you need to do anything. I think you tighten up the seatbelt a little bit, put the seatbelt on you, make it nice and safe, and put it in drive and giddy up go. I think you're solid. Nice little truck. That's a 2014 Chevrolet 1-ton dually, 4-wheel drive, Duramax diesel automatic transmission, crew cab, all the toys. What a nice little truck. 119,000 soft miles. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. I'm right here in Henderson, Tennessee with HD Trucks and Equip. And once again, as always, we greatly appreciate you looking.